Lasfit floor mat. So I wanted to do an update video this week on the Lasfit floor mats I got. I did an earlier video where I got the front driver and passenger and rear passenger area storage mats, but they had said they were going to send out a cargo mat. I finally got the cargo mat for the rear cargo area. So I want to put that in, check that out today. And then I want to show you how they're holding up, because it has been, I don't know, 6 months, crazy weather. Snow White is super dirty because it has just rained nonstop. In fact, it's supposed to rain tomorrow. It hasn't started raining yet today. A lot of flooding. So these things have got a lot of wear and tear, a lot of dirt. And they've really done a good job keeping the dirt in the mat, and they cleaned off really easy. So I want to show you that. I'll do a comparison, what I cleaned, what I didn't clean. So in fact, let's do that first. Let's check out the mats as they are now. So here is the driver and passenger floor mats. This one I have cleaned today. This one I have not cleaned yet. You can see it traps the dirt really well. In fact, there was very little dirt outside of the mat when I pulled these out. They were just, I mean, they really kept the dirt in the area, and they are well fitted now. I mean, they've been sitting in there for a while and they fit, they don't move. So they clean really well, as you can see. All I used was a little scrubber brush and some soapy water, and it came off. And then I just rinsed it off, and it came off great. So really happy with that. I'll get that one clean, get that back in the car. But let's check out this rear storage floor mat. Before we put the new one in, let's just kind of check this one out. So that's how it kind of lays. Usually it doesn't move because it does have this fabric on the back that sticks to the carpet but doesn't shift. But again, it just gets dirty so easy, and it's hard to clean. And it looks like over time it's kind of been coming up, and it goes to the edge pretty much. All right, let's get the new one in. Take that one out. Let's put the new one in. All right, that's pretty easy. Looks like it is, it's kind of warped from being in the box, but the front ones had a little bit of warpness to them, and over time with heat, they just sat flat, so I think that will. But let's get a close-up. So unlike the Max Spiders, this is sitting down really good. And I think over time with the heat, that'll sit down even better. I like that you can get to the little latch there still. You don't have to pull back to get to the latch. It does have this groove here, which I think is to accommodate. It's right where the other storage area is. And a lot of times with the stuff I have in there, in fact, I'll show you, it sits up high. It does not sit flush. So let's see. Oh, I love those little straps, by the way. Oh man, she's dirty. Got to vacuum. So I have a bunch of stuff in there. I've got both the mobile charger, the mobile charger adapters. I got the pump. I've got a cover that I use for the back of the seats when we're traveling and I want to put the back seats down and not get them dirty. And I've got my shade. I've got extension cord, a bunch of stuff. But because of that, a lot of times this is actually not sitting flush. In fact, right now, you can see it sits up a little bit. Oh, wow, it's really up a lot. But this will accommodate that, which is kind of nice because that's right where that is. Now it'll look normal. That is really nice. I don't mind the logo. A lot of people don't like logos. I don't mind the logo. It looks nice. It's well produced. I like that. I like that a lot. It goes to the edge on both sides. It does have a little lip, and because of these little rubber dimples, it doesn't move. Is it as good as the system on the Max Fighter? I don't know. It's not moving, and I don't think it will move. So pretty slick. I like that. So overall, I'd say that I really like these Lasfit products. I did get them for free. They sent them to me. They didn't pay me to do the video, but they did send them free of charge. And you know, I think the Max Spiders are great for summer, but when you get dirty in the winter, it's so nice to be able to have those things cleaned off real easy. And with a little soap and water, these things cleaned off so easy. I mean, they really turned out nice, and they're very stable and they don't move around. That's what you want in a floor mat. You want to keep your carpet clean and you don't want to move it around on you. So I really recommend them. If you're looking, I'll put a link in the description down below again. I'll also put a link to the earlier email when I got them first out and tried them out about 6 months ago. So very nice floor mats, nice company, nice lady that I worked with to get these. So check them out, see if you like them. That's all I got for this week. Hope you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.